Taking a look at NVIDIA here on unusual whales with some of our latest price targets from SUS here, as well as Cantor, a $180 price target, as well as a $200 price target, both being a buy recommendation, and the one prior to that is going to be Mizuho, a $168 price target here, all three being a buy recommendation here for March of 2025. And if we take a look at some of our latest insider buying, we have over 1,300,000 buys here from March 3rd. That's the week of March 3rd, and then a week of March 10th here, 179,000. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Webull here and take a look at the NVIDIA chart. Just going to go over my downside potential predictions as well as upside potential. And let's zoom out here to the hourly chart. Currently here, just going sideways on the Bollinger Band here, and I do expect to see upside move here for NVIDIA stock. From our current prices here, the upside potential is closer towards 124, and we did test close to this not too long ago here in the pre-market, or you can consider this the overnight market here for NVIDIA back on March 17. And March 17, we hit a high of 123.70, and I do think we're going to test towards those levels again here in the upcoming trading days. So in the upcoming trading days, what I'm looking for is a 5% move towards the top side. If we compare that to our current price here of 118, that's close. That's pretty much close to 5% there. In terms of a support level or a downside move, I'm viewing now 115 to be a major support level to keep an eye out for. You could potentially view 114 as well as a support level. Another level to keep an eye out for in case 115 or 114 breaks down below is going to be closer towards 110. And I don't think NVIDIA will be breaking below 110 here for quite some time. Nonetheless, I do believe between 117 and 96 here is going to be a really good dip opportunity for NVIDIA stock. I wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging here for 118 as well. Not trying to time the bottom here, as I do believe the upside potential is going to be a lot greater than the downside here for NVIDIA stock. In my personal opinion, I believe NVIDIA stock is actually considerably really cheap compared to its high. If we zoom out here to the 4-hourly chart, you can see the high of 153 is up here. And if we compare our current price here and retest all the way back up to 153, which in my opinion is going to happen, right? That's going to be a 30% move on the stock price towards the upside here. So really anything below 117 is a really good dip opportunity. And if you miss the chance of entering in NVIDIA below 117, I also wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging as long as it's below 124. And say you missed 124 as well. I think the ultimate case scenario where I would stop adding is after 132. Anything after 132, I would just let it ride. I would do my best to try to dollar cost average while NVIDIA stock is below 132. Unless you're extremely long term on NVIDIA stock and you're not looking to swing this, then by all means dollar cost average anytime. But I'm just sharing my personal opinion here that these are one of the better times to be adding into NVIDIA stock. Below 117 is likely the best case scenario. And then below 124 is pretty good as well. And then I think below 132 is just decent, okay? Long haul and long term, if you believe that these firms here, take this with a grain of salt, but if you believe like Mizuho, Cantor, or SUS here is correct about their price targets, you can see there's a lot of buy recommendations here from a lot of these analysts, but I'm just going over the March recommendations here. And again, taking this with a grain of salt. Hypothetically, if we tested towards $200, let's go ahead and take a look at that as a percentage gain from our current prices to $200. That is going to be a 70% increase towards the upside. And if you want to take a look at the minimal price target here from Mizuho, again from March 14, Mizuho here, $168 price target, a buy recommendation. Let's go ahead and move all the way down to 168. So that's a minimal of 42% move towards the upside. Now that's speaking of long term or 1 year out, right? 168 there is going to be Mizuho's price target. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments for NVIDIA stock. My personal prediction is I just think this is a really good dip opportunity to be dollar cost averaging. And again, I would continue to dollar cost average so long as it's below 132. And as of right now, I think it's at a really good region to be adding as well. And of course, you can wait longer if you really think NVIDIA will drop down to 110 or even lower than 104. If you are in NVIDIA stock though, if you are in NVIDIA shares or long-term in NVIDIA, let us know down below in the comments. And if you're in shares or if you're in leap call options, let us know down below in the comments as well. If you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord. It's free to join, and there's over 32,000 people there. You can feel free to chat about stocks and ask questions if you have any for NVIDIA or any other stock. And lastly, if you're looking for our live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do have multiple analysts sharing those in our Discord. And by joining the Patreon, you'll unlock the VIP channels on the Discord there. So link down below for Patreon if you want to check it out. We do have a current discount going on here, a permanent discount. So anyone that joins before the discount ends gets to keep that discount permanently, okay? Again, link for the Discord, free to join, down below in the description, and Patreon there for membership and VIP channels on the Discord, link down below as well, okay? Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for NVIDIA stock.